Come on, Woody. You do it.
All right, fine.
There you go. Now that's impressive.
Yeah, I guess it does look pretty good.
I wouldn't have done it any different myself.
I saw that.
Right now we're at the residence at Sweet Bay. We're doing building 1, pressure washing the bottom, removing all the green and the scum that grows on sides of the buildings, mainly on the brick part. As we're coming down. You'll be able to see the difference as they're coming down by the doors. Go up to the stairs. Right there, I told you it's getting everything on top. It's just a matter of trying to get all and remove all the dust removal for them to prep and paint again. He's on the new part. This is also building 1. We just passed the door. You can see that they attempted to paint it in the past. This whole wall needs to be repainted. We got this wall right here to do next. And then we come around the curb. Other than that, everything looks good. As an extra bonus, one of the residents asked if we can pressure wash the balcony because she's moving to West Palm Beach. So we took it upon ourselves to help her out by pressure washing it to make it look better for her move out. As you can see, Tonya now is doing pressure washing the floor as well. This woman has children, so you're going to see a lot of crayon marks on the doors and on the wooding that we won't be able to get off, but we're going to try our best to get as much as we can off as we're here to reduce the struggles of a major deep clean for the cleaner. Right now we just finished building 1. We're trying to get as far as we can to the top, but everything's on the bottom. All the building stuff is gone. Now I have Antonio. Right now he's at building 2. He started here on the east side of the building, which makes it a lot easier. But we can see whoever painted before, they left lots of paint roller marks, which kind of like makes the building look a little funny. Well, other than that, after we finish pressure washing it and all that and getting it all ready, we can come back and help them out as far as doing the painting for it. All right, we just finished coming along. This is building 2. We're at the halfway point. Water dries real quick over here. See? He's on the other half, which is Antonio. As you can see, we're almost done with the north side of the building on building 2. The integrity of the building is starting to come out after it's cleaned. We understand it does take a little while. All this white brick is starting to show through. It's looking better. It's a big, major difference. Even when we did a little bit of the wood, it started to show the new coloring. No more green mold, which is great because it shows a better appearance of the property. Alright, I got Antonio finishing off right in the fire panel room of building 2. It's near its completion, which looks good. Alright, now we're at building 3. We're doing the inner side, which is the northwest side of the building. It's coming down. You can see the major difference. No more green marks throughout the walls. It does take time. On the brick side, same thing. Right here as well, we just finished pressure washing it a little bit. Tried scrubbing the windows. Has a window buildup on it, so I'm gonna have to use a stronger product just to get it off. But besides that, we're gonna go on the southwest of the building, heading towards the east. Alright, we just came down the south side of building 3, working up on the east side. We've already finished this one. Wasn't much mildew, all that. Overall, it's in great shape. Now we're gonna come, which is the northeast corner of the building. Then we're going to do the whole entire north side. As you can see, Antonio did a good cleaning right here. So now he's working on the back side. This is one of our troubled areas. For the stairwell, this is where it's mainly the most dirty, and it's due to the fact that it's always grease over here, so we won't be surprised if we see a lot of grease in front of this entranceway. I asked him to clean the sidewalk as he's doing now. That's paint, it won't be able to come off or an epoxy, but we'll try our best.